What changed in AI this week is that agents are becoming trainable, reusable, and increasingly self-auditing systems, not just chat interfaces. Apple's results suggest API agents can learn from simulated worlds built from specifications alone, while Microsoft research shows human tutorials and code can be distilled into executable skills. Taken together with autonomous medical imaging development that verifies its own experiments, the broader shift is from prompting models to engineering closed-loop systems that generate experience, acquire capabilities, and inspect evidence. We'll examine why this matters and where reliability still breaks. Let's explore the first paper, Environment-Free Synthetic Data Generation for API Calling Agents. Researchers at Apple introduced ESAT, an environment-free synthetic agentic trajectory pipeline that generates API calling training data from API specifications alone, without executable services, databases, or human-written tasks. A GLM-4 7FP8 task generator creates coverage-balanced, intent-level tasks. A GLM-5 1FP8 teacher agent solves them step by step, while a stateful simulator produces schema-compliant responses conditioned on the task and per-app interaction history. Then Gemini 3, 1 Pro from Google DeepMind filters trajectories for correctness and completeness. The authors evaluate supervised fine-tuning on App World and Office Bench, including write operations and long-horizon multi-app workflows. ESAT produces 9K App World trajectories from 7 real App World apps, 6K trajectories from 52 synthetic apps spanning 1,017 APIs, and 7K Office Bench trajectories. Fine-tuning yields gains up to 50.5% on App World and 60.5% on Office Bench, with synthetic app data often outperforming trajectories collected in the real App World environment and enabling smaller Qwen 3 and Qwen 3.5 models to rival larger systems such as GPT 4o and Nemotron T, set do 00b. Quality analysis using OpenAI's GPT-5. 1 finds 93.7% of simulated API responses valid, while Gemini 3 1 Pro achieves 95.2% precision against AppWorld's executable verifiers. The central result is that an LLM can serve as a persistent digital world model, making scalable, stateful API agent supervision a specification problem rather than an infrastructure project. Let's explore the second paper, Resource 2 Skill Distilling Executable Agent Skills from Human-Created Multimodal Resources. Resource 2 Skill, developed by Microsoft Research with collaborators at UC Santa Cruz and Shanghai Jiao Tong University, converts human-created tutorial videos, code repositories, articles, and reference artifacts into executable procedural knowledge for software agents. Its central artifact is a hierarchical, multimodal skill wiki. Each entry combines structured instructions, visual examples, adaptable or executable code, metadata, and provenance. At runtime, MetaBrowse uses BM25 to narrow the taxonomy. Then a language model selects complementary skills that execute through MCP tools. The same distillation operator can search for missing capabilities online across web, Excel, Reaper, PowerPoint, Blender, CAD, and Unreal Engine 5. Resource 2. Skill raises average artifact quality by plus 11.9 percentage points over agents without skills and wins in 26 of 28 model domain aggregate cells, outperforming Anthropic's Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex Harness baselines. On novel tasks, an offline pool of 891 skills augmented with 100 online skills improves performance by plus 21.6 percentage points, from 41.2% to 62.8%. Ablations show that the full multimodal wiki and MetaBrowse selection outperform text-only, embedding, and no-skill alternatives. The hierarchy then language model selector reaches 68.9% versus 57.3% without skills. A blinded human study also favors the skill-enabled system in 85.5% of non-tied comparisons, while failure cases reveal unresolved parameter binding and overly literal skill composition as remaining limitations. Let's explore the third paper, Towards Autonomous and Auditable Medical Imaging Model Development. AMID, from researchers at the Chinese University of Hong Kong, the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Lehigh University, and Microsoft Research, is an autonomous multi-agent system for building auditable medical imaging models. Its first contribution, data-conditioned method planning, profiles modality, geometry, labels, patient organization, metrics, and submission requirements, then converts them into executable method lanes grounded in resources such as NNUNet, MONAI, MedSam, and pathology encoders UNI and FICON v2. Its second contribution, verification-guided two-stage optimization, uses broad behavior-gated exploration followed by selective exploitation, while independent reviewers verify data splits, metric calculations, prediction schemas, checkpoints, and traceability before evidence can influence promotion. On the ReX MLE benchmarks 20 medical imaging challenges using a 24-hour budget, one NVIDIA RTX, a 6000 GPU, and codecs with GPT-5 of 5. AMIT produced accepted results on every task and improved over the strongest listed autonomous baseline on 19 tasks. It achieved 0.91 dice on SEG, a 0.89 absolute gain over the best baseline, and 0.49 AP on Dentex, matching the human reference. Task-specific gains came from combining YOLOV 8 with anatomical calibration and using foundation model features for pathology. Focused experiments also used Claude Code, which reached 0.64 dice on Puma, T1, SEG. The report emphasizes that AMIT's advantage comes from organizing and auditing the search process, not merely from the underlying coding agent, while noting unresolved costs, back-end variability, and the absence of clinical validation. That's a wrap on today's AI paper highlights. Thanks for watching.